stars above. Take a chance, do it all for love and no regrets. Up ahead there's an open door.
Ma'am Shi, happy birthday. Happy 45th birthday. Kahit wala akong boses. Pero I want to say I love you. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nandito ako. So don't forget that. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Ang ganda-ganda mo today. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda. Kanina ka pa kanta ng kanta. Pinagbigyan ka na namin. Happy birthday. Huwag mo na ulitin yun, ah.
Happy birthday, John! Blessed na naging part kami ng family nyo. So, sana lahat ng ina-aspire mo is makuha mo. Lahat ng wishes sa'yo is magkatotoo at makuha mo. Be happy always. Happy birthday!
Hindi tayo si Kuya.
Kuya, baka i-play mo yan. Happy birthday, John Kenneth. Alam mo naman yung nilalaman ng puso ko and yung gusto kong sabihin and hindi ko na iba-broadcast. I love you and happy birthday.
Come down and I feel the rush at the speed of sound. I'll find a way to make
Ikaw mo. Ano sabihin ko? Ma'am, happy birthday po. Wish you all the best and stay safe po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am! Mahal ka namin. Sana mahalin mo rin ako. Charot.
to find the best in me. Well, isn't it time?
Lahat na nagluto kagabi sa mga nagpunta ngayon. Thank you.